on track. With the Sun card, I see July is going to be a better month and you're going to get some sort of relief. Some of you might have invested somewhere and you might have lost, or maybe whatever you invested in was not giving you the desired results. But in the month of July, I see some positive, good news coming in for you. When it comes to love, I see that somebody was not there for you. Like, this person promises the whole freaking world to you, but when they have to take a stand for you, they will not do it. So with the Five of Pentacles, I see somebody basically left you in the middle of a situation. They just left you in the middle of nowhere when you wanted them the most, and then they just ghosted you. You were searching for them and they were nowhere to be seen. All right. With the Judgment card and the Sun card, I see some of you feel betrayed, you feel cheated, and you feel that you deserve justice. And moreover, you're trying to take back control of your life and you're trying to move on. Like, you are trying to focus on good things in life. So these days, your priority is to be happy. Like, no matter what happened to you in the past, no matter who did what, the good thing is that you're trying to focus on happiness. You want to be happy again in life and you're trying to move on. All right, something basically just kept you stuck here. Something was just not letting you move on. You know, that's with the Five of Pentacle energy. You can see how both of them are just struggling to move on, but it's very difficult because they are injured. So some of you were mentally, physically, emotionally injured by somebody and you were trying to drag yourself through the situation, and it was very difficult. But the good thing is that you finally did that and you've come to a better position, or you will come to a better position in the month of July. I see that you were also looking for some sort of clarity in a situation because you wanted to get out of this. Okay, so maybe you wanted to know why somebody did what they did, right? You might have had closure issues. You never really got a clarity from someone. So you might also be seeking for clarity. With the Page of Swords, I see something is going to be revealed to you at a very odd timing when you least expect. It will be revealed to you. All right, so don't try to run after that. Sit back, relax. You will get to know about it very soon. With the Page of Swords, I already see that something is going to come to the surface. And also Sun card, it also eliminates whatever is hidden. So whatever is hidden from you is going to come out. All right. Okay, what happened in the past between Scorpio and this person? Page of Pentacles. Somebody was very slow is what I see. You were acting like a Page of Wands. You were very passionate about this connection. By the way, all pages. Some of you might be dealing with somebody younger to you or somebody very immature. Even if they are not younger, they're very immature. They behave like a child. All right, so that's the problem. I see that you were seeking for a passion in the connection. You were really passionate and you wanted them to be equally passionate. But this person was coming up as a Page of Pentacles. So this person was very slow in their approach. They were just trying to prioritize their money or their career or something, and they were not focusing on you. Like, your focus was them and their focus was something else. So somebody was taking a very slow approach. Some of you, this person never made a choice about you. So maybe they kept you hanging in the situation. They were not giving you clarity. They were just trying to, some of you, maybe they, you know, every time you ask for clarity or every time you want the connection to move forward, like one of those people who just block the other person, they ghost the other person. You might be dealing with someone who just believes in blocking, deleting, ghosting. So they will not speak like an adult to you, but every time they're confronted, they run away. So you were dealing with someone of that sort. They were just not making a decision. They were just being in confusion, and they kept you in confusion as well. Yeah, again, see, just when I spoke about confusion, here it is. So I see that this person was confusing the hell out of you. You basically felt very, very stuck in the situation. And I see that this is not a new thing. So maybe this might have happened with you in last 5 to 8 months. Number 8 can be very significant here. So the month of August could be very significant. The good thing, though, moving forward in July, the good thing is that you have become very conscious, Scorpio. You have become conscious where your happiness lies and you're trying to move towards your happiness. Finally, you have stopped behaving like a victim. You have stopped waiting for somebody's mercy. You're trying to take control back in your life and you're trying to move forward. Some of you very, very focused on making your money. I don't know, money might be a problem for some of you recently with the 5 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles again. So I see moving in July, your money situation is improving, but definitely there are some issues in the month of June when it comes to money, when it comes to commitment, when it comes to family. Something is off, but it is going to get better. So that's a good news, right? And that is because you have taken control in your hands with the Eight of Swords in the month of June, where you were feeling like a victim. You were at somebody's mercy. You wanted somebody to come forward and take action. In the month of July, you'll be like, fuck it. If you cannot make an action towards me, let me do my thing. Let me go for my goals. Let me do whatever I have to do. And then that is actually going to get you to the 10 of Pentacles. And those Scorpios who still continue to feel like victim, sorry honey, you will not reach this 10 of Pentacles. So be very careful. Choose wisely. Wow, see, Four of Cups and the Seven of Swords. You really got sick and tired of this person. They were just ignoring you, ignoring your needs. And someone who just believes in ghosting. They believe in ignoring. They believe in ghosting. They will never tell you things as it is. So I see that you got sick and tired of waiting for this person. Now you have decided that you are not going to focus on this person. And you're not going to make your life miserable. You're just trying to focus on your happiness. And you are trying to move forward, which is a good thing, right? It is difficult, but you're doing it. All right. So regardless of whatever it is, you're doing it, which is a good thing. So keep moving forward. All right. Do not try to go back to where you have come from, is your message. Leave the situation behind. Leave this person behind. I see that they are not doing any good to you. Some of you, you're very deeply attached with this person. It could be another water sign that you were dealing with, or could be any sign, does not matter. I see that it is a one step forward, two step backward kind of situation for you, you know, Scorpio. So it's like you are trying to move forward, but then you also get reminded of this person. Regardless, keep moving forward, all right? When you know that this person is of no good to you, what's the point, right? I see that this person actually made you so sick that you had to leave the situation. Like, they did not leave any option for you. They were just trying to confuse you. They were not giving commitment. They never made an action. They were confused themselves, and then they were confusing you. This person is delusional as fuck. And now I see that you're just doing whatever you have to do. Because if the other person is not being honest, if the other person is not opening up, what's the point? So now you're like, what's the point of me staying here waiting for this person? Let me do my thing. Okay, hold on a second. What is the future energy for Scorpio for the month of July? Ooh, Nine of Pentacles. That's a beautiful energy. What is up with your finances, Scorpio? What are you doing? And for others of you, I see that you will be stepping into a new connection. Some of you, there is a very beautiful earth sign that's coming towards you. Some of you, it could be an Aries or a Gemini as well. So, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Definitely. I see someone who has their shit together is coming towards you. This person is going to be very serious to make things work with you. That's for the Eight of Pentacles energy. I see somebody has their eye on you and they're very serious to make it work. And they're coming in really fast because the Fool is a fast card and Eight of Pentacles again, fast card. Somebody is very fast and they're going to take action towards you very, very fast. This person is very determined to make things happen between both of you. But for this, you just have to take a leap of faith. You have to be open again. You have to take a risk. Some of you, you have closed yourself to anything in love. You feel love is not for me. You feel you will never get a commitment. You feel you will never meet the right person. That's not true. If you will open yourself up, I see a very beautiful relationship coming towards you very, very fast. Like your past person, they were just trying to make you wait. But this person who's coming towards you, they're going to be really quick. They'll be like, let's do this, let's do this, let's do that, let's do that. So they're going to be very determined and they're going to take action towards you very, very quickly. But for that, you just have to take that leap of faith. You just have to take that risk that you're not taking right now. With the Four of Swords, you're very scared to get your heart broken again. So you do not want to be wrong again. You do not want to get into all that mess again because you have come out with a lot of difficulty. I see that your past person kept you stuck in a situation for a very long time and you came out with a lot of effort. Now you do not want to go back here. That is why you're contemplating a lot before taking any leap of faith. But your message is that if it's lighting up your soul and if somebody is making effort towards you, go for them. If somebody tries, go for them. It could be a fire sign, could be an earth sign, could be an Aquarius, or could be an Aries as well. But the problem is that you keep going back and forth because you're not sure. And that's okay. That happens, right? When you come out of a difficult situation, it's very normal. But don't let that determine your future, right? Do not let your past dominate your future, is the message. Okay, Three of Swords. Again, some of you, you're very hurt because of a past situation which is not letting you move on. So maybe a past love situation, past hurt keeps you stuck. It's very difficult because maybe it was very major. But see, this is coming towards you. The Cupid arrow. I see Cupid is shooting its shot at you. It wants somebody to come into your life. It's sending somebody with full force in your life. But some of you, you're not paying attention. So be very careful. You have someone around you who's very interested, but you're just ignoring. Let's say this past person of yours, their feelings towards you. Justice. They are receiving their karma back. Ooh, who is this person receiving their karma back? Some of you, this person did you nasty. You were waiting for a judgment, and with the justice I see, it's going to be delivered. So if they did something wrong to you, karma is coming for them. I see somebody abused your love. Like you had a lot of love for them, they abused it. Maybe they were married to someone else, or they got married somewhere else. They're going to get it back. And then I also see that there are other people who want to be in your life. They want to come towards you with full-fledged. If it's not relationship, it could be a friendship as well. Like you have people who want to be in your life, but for that you just have to move from your past and you have to focus towards your bright future, because universe is sending some good people in your life. Four of Pentacles and Five of Wands. You're being very stubborn, Scorpio. Also, if somebody wants to come back into your life, you feel that this person needs to really show you that they deserve, like you should give them a chance because they deserve it, kind of thing. You want people to prove their worth, and that could be with the new people as well. Like you feel that you cannot simply allow people in your life because they create drama. So you do not want to get involved in the drama. That is why you're blocking yourself. See how he's just blocking himself because he does not want this drama. So some of you very skeptical to allow people or opportunities in life because you're still stuck in the past toxic situation. Let that go. Page of Cups. Again, who is this person who's coming with a lot of love towards you? Somebody loves the fudge out of you and they want to be in your life. Oh my God, 10 of Cups. This person is serious. This person is business, like serious business. They are not about bullshit. This person might not also be talking about relationship or fling. This person is directly going to talk about marriage. They'll be like, I like you, you like me, let's get married. Or I like you, you like me, let's talk to families. You know, they will try to make it social. They will not try to hide you. They are going to be very open, very vocal about you. Somebody just wants to be in your life and they just want a long-term thing with you. Scorpio, this is the love you wanted. Universe is granting it to you. But for that, stop blocking your heart chakra. Stop blocking people from your life. Some of you are also so freaking focused on money and stability that you're not seeing love in life. So your love life is suffering. Try to balance both the things, alright? I see somebody definitely coming towards you with a lot of love, a lot of passion. And they just want to pursue you, like for the long-term thing, right? You might have manifested this, now universe is giving it to you and you're blocking yourself. Stop doing that. See, you're blocking, Scorpio. You're blocking, you're confused. You don't know. You don't want to make a wrong choice again. Stop doing that. If something is lighting up your soul, if something is feeling very genuine, go for it. Stop second guessing. Alright, and when it comes to something in your personal life, especially money, I see a lot of improvement. Lot of improvement. 8 of Cups. But for all of that, you have to first move on from your past. That's keeping you stuck. I also see that a secret is going to be revealed, and most probably the secret is that somebody loves you. They want to make a move towards you. That's the secret. It's going to be revealed. Some of you already have an intuition that somebody is about to shoot their shot at you. They will. They will. And it's going to be a serious offer. I don't see somebody wanting a relationship with you. They want a commitment with you. They will not ask you things like, let's go for a coffee date or let's go for long drives and then we will see about the future. No, this person is going to be like, I like you, you like me, let's get married. Let's settle down. Let's move in together. It's going to be that kind of person. Somebody being very emotionally invested in you and they want to take it forward. But for this, you just have to open your heart because you are very skeptical. You're not trying to move on completely from your past. Don't try to do that because I see very happy, emotionally fulfilling energy which is coming towards you, which can possibly lead to commitment, but you just have to let go of your past for this, all right? You have to focus on your healing. That's what the Eight of Cups is. You haven't healed completely, so try to focus on your healing. Try to do the inner work. And then you will see that somebody is going to reveal their cards to you that they are interested. Right now, they might not be because they feel that you are confused. So that is why they are not showing you completely. But once you will be very clear, that's when they will be doing it. And then the past person, they were just trying to bring in so much of drama in your life. They might be stalking you still, but not worth it. They just create a lot of drama in your life. Let them go. Let them go. All right? So yeah, that was a very beautiful reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.